Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get your internet speeds way faster, how to get better upload, how to get better downloads. So right here, you see this is before. I got 41.31 on download and 9.60 on upload. So to fix this, you're going to want to go ahead and you could run stuff on your PC, find out, or you could just copy these codes. So if you're on Windows 11, just go to your settings, or Windows 10, it doesn't really matter. Go to your settings. On here, you're gonna want to go to network and internet. Go to your Wi-Fi settings or your Ethernet, and when you're in here, go to Wi-Fi's properties. Go down to change DNS settings. Edit. You can either come in here and edit it, or you can go into control panel. Show you how to get to that. Control panel, network and internet, network and sharing center, change adapter settings. You can X out of that, and then right here, so properties. And see, mine, I just use the settings because it actually works way better. But in IPv4, you're gonna want to open the IPv4, whether you're using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Just copy this code I'll keep right here. I'm gonna have it in the description. 2000. And all that right here. Make sure this one is 888 and this one is 8844 for IPv6. So for IPv4 settings and IPv6 in here, you can just set preferred, which right here I have to follow my desktop. I sat there and I went through it, found which one was best for my PC. When you do it, you can see it right here, and you just copy this code out and you paste it here and alternate and preferred for IPv4. Then come down here and paste these, which is these two. You're gonna paste those right there. As soon as you do that, you click save, exit out. Alright guys, I just ran the speed test, and here's what my downloads look like now. 100 on download, 22 on upload, 26 ping. And I saved the other one right here, 42 ping. What I had before, 78 on download, 61 on upload. Now 124, 117. As y'all can see. If this did help you out, make sure you do drop a like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.